Red Balau 5 4x4 pre-grooved decking. Bangkirai hidden fastener ready. 2,345 pounds from Janka. 1-inch actual thickness, 3.5-inch width. Warm reddish-brown grain. Factory pre-groove for clip systems. Full spec breakdown. Nominal 5/4 by 4. Actual dimensions: 1-inch thick, 3.5 inches wide. Pre-grooved profile: factory milled groove on one edge designed for hidden fastener clip systems. Available in 1 through 22-foot lengths. Standard 5/4 decking thickness. Verify clip system compatibility and do not exceed 16-inch on-center joist spacing. Boards arrive surfaced, grooved, and dimensionally consistent. Single profile for this SKU, pre-grooved. Factory groove enables hidden fastener clip installation. No visible screw heads, clean surface presentation. Verify clip system manufacturer specs for compatibility with 5/4 thickness in groove dimensions. All surfaces machine plane smooth. Exterior hardwood certified. Janka hardness, 2,345 pounds force. Solidly in the mid-tier of tropical hardwoods, significantly outperforming any domestic softwood alternative. Naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage without chemical treatment. Excellent dimensional stability under exterior exposure. Up to 50+ year service life. Ships direct to job site or terminal. Delivery options available nationwide. Volume orders in custom length configurations available. Contact our team for lead times and project quantities. Get a custom quote or shop online at ipewoods.com. Mill direct, no middleman markup.